Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I will show you a strategy on how I found a 10k per month product just under 5 minutes guys. So without further delay, let's get right into this. So guys, I will show you over here how you can find 10k per month product just under 5 minutes guys. So firstly you have to go to Amazon and search for any random product. For example, I've searched for derma roller over here, as you can see, and I've come to this page, and as you scroll down you can see listings, and you have to go in one of the listings. For example, I will click this and I will click open link in new tab, and here we come to this product page. And what we have to do over here is we have to go to their brand storefront guys, and as you can see you will find their brand storefront over here, and you have to do the same and click this open link in new tab once again. And as you come to the storefront you will see hundred of product they are selling. So what happens guys is a seller will only sell products that are profitable for them, so you don't have to do all the research and all. You just have to go to others people's storefront and look at what they are already selling and which product are high in demand on the market guys. And now what you have to do over here is guys, you have to search for product that are low in reviews guys. For example, this tooth electric tooth cleaner, you can give it a try. You can open a new Amazon page, and you can type electric tooth cleaner, and you have to run Jungle Scout on that product guys, and see which product will do well guys. And as we scroll down we can see this is already a tooth cleaner, and this also has some low kind of review, this nail training practice hand. And for example, let me show you. As I search this nail training practice hand and run Jungle Scout on this product, and as I run Jungle Scout you can see over here guys, this is practice hand, that's something, this one, this product. And as I run Jungle Scout on this product, you can see most of them have below 75 reviews, below 100 reviews, and you can see most of the listings are doing over $10,000 in revenue guys. As you can see, 13,000, 7, 8, 11, 20 to 10, 30 something, and most of them are under 2 lbs, and there's a little hope of improving this product, as you can see from listing quality score. So as you can see guys, most of them have below this 100 reviews, and most of them are doing over 10,000. So this way you can find profitable product that you can sell on Amazon, and it can be your next product guys, or can be your first product. So this is the way you can find 10k per month product guys. So I hope this video will help you find your right product guys, and if you have any questions then let me know down on the comment section, and please leave a like and please subscribe for upcoming videos guys.